What if I told you you don't need OpenAI? You don't need Google. You can run a real AI model on your own laptop right now for free. Open source AI models like Llama, Mistral, and Phi exist, and they're powerful. These aren't toys. They're the same category of model behind the tools you already use, and nobody can read your data. Nobody can charge you per message. No internet required. Your machine, your model, your conversation. Here's the wild part. It's actually easy now. There's a tool called Ollama. You install it, open a terminal, and type Ollama run Llama 3. That's it. You're chatting with a local AI model. No API key, no account, no data leaving your computer. Now, to be fair, local models are usually smaller than cloud models. GPT-4 or Claude will outperform them on hard reasoning tasks. But for summarizing documents, drafting emails, or just experimenting, local is more than good enough. And this is where things are heading. In 2026, on-device AI is already showing up in phones, laptops, and even appliances. AI isn't just a cloud service anymore. It's becoming infrastructure you can own. Follow for the next video and drop your AI questions in the comments. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series. Have a great one.